Purchasing decisions should not solely focus on the upfront cost, but also consider long-term benefits like operational efficiency, maintenance requirements, and durability. High-quality refining equipment often includes features that enhance productivity, such as automated temperature control, enhanced filtration systems. Additionally, buyers should inquire about after-sales services, warranties, and technical support when purchasing Fox oil refining equipment. Reliable customer service and timely spare parts supply are crucial for uninterrupted operations. It is advisable to consult with multiple suppliers. Request detailed quotations. For those new to the industry, understanding the specific needs of their business is essential. Factors such as the scale of operation, type of raw materials. Ultimately, investing in the right Fox oil refining equipment ensures not only cost effectiveness, but also contributes to sustainable business growth. By balancing initial investment with long-term gains,